Well, hi everyone from the Colebrookdale Railroad in Boyertown, Pennsylvania in Berks County. And boy, do we have a great tour coming up of this railroad. The train expeditions here are called Secret Valley Expeditions, and it's the perfect name because I feel like this railroad is a secret. I don't think too many people know about this, and we're so excited to visit here for the first time, and it is absolutely gorgeous, and there's so many plans for this railroad. So let me take you on a full tour, but first I wanted to point out when you park in the parking lot, if you have mobility issues, there's a separate ramp to the right of the entrance here. And the parking lot is really big. And when you walk in here, this is one of the new things that's going to be coming is a new fountain. There was an older fountain here, but it's being replaced by a bigger and better fountain. Today we're taking a train ride. It's going to be an hour and a half, and we're also going to have lunch on board. So we're also going to do a lunch review too. Today is May 16th, and we also are going to be celebrating National Armed Forces Day. So they have some special events going on here at the train station. Look at this neat open air car. Our friend Mike that works here told us that this used to be an old freight train car and they converted it to an open air car. And right now the military are getting it ready for some special events today. So let's go through and we'll start touring this really adorable train station. All of these train cars that you'll see here are Pullman cars. And they date from 1918 to 1933. And then look at this adorable train station and clock. I love clocks and I love train stations, and I think this is just so spectacular. It's adorable. So when you arrive, you're going to go into the train station here, and that's where you will pick up your tickets. And we have our tickets, so we are able to board. I wanted to just walk around the train station here real quick and just show you the different angles because it's so cute and everything is done with so much detail. It's just really, really cool here. Look at all the neat details to this little train station. Now it is going to be growing. This whole train station is going to be getting quite the overhaul, and it's going to expand by many, many times. So we'll keep stopping back here and keep an eye on the growth of this really awesome train station. Something else that is going to be changing in the future, and I'm not sure when, is the color of the train. So if you like to ride on green trains, you might want to come here and ride this train because it is getting a color change, and rumor has it that it may be some kind of a reddish color like this train here, but that's hearsay. So the color will be changing though, and that's just the rumor that that's what the color will be. So anyway, I thought that was really cool. So let's take a walk through the rest of this beautiful property. So right here, you'll see there's the platform. That's where you'll board the train. And then they have another fountain that's going to be working in the future. Even with these renovations going on, when we pulled up, my husband and I were both like, oh my gosh, this is so pretty. And look at this beautiful seating area with the lights. They have plenty of seating out here. The black train there up there to the left used to be a snack train, and that's being converted as well. Now I'm not sure if they're gonna have snacks there again this year, but they're doing a lot of changes. So, and here's some of the celebratory flags for Armed Forces Day. And in a little bit, we'll check back here because they're going to be having like a little ceremony to celebrate that. And that will happen right before we board the train. And then up here, this is pretty cool. They have all these neat military vehicles, some Jeeps and a bike over here. We'll check that out in a second. But they're really neat. A lot of people coming out today to celebrate our nation's heroes. I really like this bike. Really cool stuff. They also have displays here from different wars, and they also do some reenacting of different time periods. So it's pretty cool. You'll see, the military walking around, and they're in that time period of whatever war that they're reenacting. So another tip that we were told is There are bathrooms on the train, but they do recommend you using the bathrooms prior to boarding, which are located right there in the white trailer. So I think, I don't know if there's not that many bathrooms or sometimes they have trouble with them, but they do recommend that you use the bathrooms there, the white trailers, before boarding. So we'll walk down here, and there's the engine right up there getting ready. And right straight ahead is where they're going to be doing a lot of expansion. And this fountain here was recently installed. This is only about a month old, so this is a brand new fountain. So it's going to be pretty. They're going to have all these different fountains, all throughout the train station area. And I like those lights, those round globe lights. Just a really cool place here. And this is cool. My husband just pointed out, look at all the insulators up there. There's tons of them.
But if we all continue to work together, I know there's nothing that we cannot do.
We all join me in prayer. Heavenly Father, as these brave young men and women go to serve in your Army, your Navy, your Marines, and your Coast Guard, I pray that you will protect them.
That was a really nice Armed Forces Day celebration. And now it's time to board the train.
Depart, members of our train group, we pass it through the cars checking your tickets, so please help us by having those ready for us at that time. If you have your ticket for the lounge car, please come up to the platform.
All right, that's us, the lounge car. It is time to board and time to eat. We're really hungry.
Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard.
All aboard.
That's
I
right.
got the golden tickets.
Oh, I love it.
I'll be punching through the punch up.
All right.
Watch your head and watch your step, please. Welcome. Lounge cars into your left.
Oh, wow, look at this car. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's like, I've seen this train on the internet, but it is way more beautiful than what I thought. Look at the ceilings and the chandelier. Every detail is immaculate, and the stained glass. We'll take a tour of the whole train after the train ride. We're going to go through all the train cars, so stay tuned for that because I have a feeling the cars are magnificent. And look at the table setting with the china. Everything looks gorgeous. Here's a look at the menu. This is drinks and snacks. These are extra charges. These are not included in your meals that you pay and the train ride. So this is, these are up charges. We paid in advance and you select your meals in advance. So my husband got an adult meal, which was $65, and I got a kid's meal, which was $45. And that includes the train ride. And then they have extra drinks like this that you can purchase on board. So here we are, we're ready to go. I forgot to mention, if you want to look at the menu, check it out online and you can see what they offer.
Golden tickets.
Yeah.
Got one up in the stand though.
This is a beautiful train ride. It is slow moving and relaxing, and it's, a lot of woods and beautiful creeks, and this beautiful area here, just a lot of really pretty scenery. We got two Yinglings. We are just having a great time today, so we're going to enjoy the scenery and just relax until our meal is here.
Nobody likes browning. The browning with the brilliant.
Here are our meals. Hubby got roast beef sandwich and potato salad. It looks great. And I got the kids' portion, chicken and macaroni and cheese, but it looks like an adult portion. It's huge.
Oh man, look at this sandwich. It is a roast beef sandwich with gravy on it, and the roll looks amazing. I cannot wait to eat this sandwich. And look at the gravy just pouring right off of that. I have been waiting all week for this. I am going to eat this so fast, and the steam is just coming right off of the meat. And the potato salad looks amazing.
So the macaroni and cheese was excellent, creamy. It didn't taste like boxed macaroni and cheese at all. It was really, really good, and huge portions. The chicken was nice and juicy and crispy. Obviously, we devoured our plates. We both thought the meal was absolutely excellent. Great service, great food, a great environment here, top-notch service. Another neat thing about this train ride is that you can move from car to car. As soon as the meal has been served, you're free to move about all the other train cars. So we're gonna walk up to the front and just check out the outside open air car while it's moving, because we just want to get some really cool views and just check out the scenery up here, because these cars are just really, really, truly amazing. Would you look at this? Is this amazing or what? You have a bridal party celebrating. You have the military celebration. People are just having a great time. And look at this amazing scenery you get to look at.
I think so.
Traffic now present, crossings clear. Crossing clear. You're on the crossing.
What an amazing train ride that was. I can't tell you how great that was. Now let's take a look at the whole entire train. We're back at the train station, so we're allowed now to walk through the whole train. This first car is the parlor. The stained glass is amazing here. They even have a baby grand piano here in the parlor. The next car that we go in is the lounge car, and that's where we had our dinner. And again, just gorgeous stained glass everywhere, woodwork. You know, just the attention to detail is really amazing.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Thank you for riding with us.
The next car is a dining car also, and it's called the Lion Gardener. And I think this is my favorite. It is so beautiful. I mean, they're all beautiful, but this is my favorite. I love all the lights and the garland, the ribbons, and all the, you know, the stained glass, the pink and the greens are just so gorgeous. Bye. Thank you again. all the staff here is top notch. They were all so sweet, so accommodating. I can't say enough about the staff. Really, really super people. The next car, this is called the Beaver car, and it was named after Beaver, Pennsylvania. I like this one too. I like that it has the booths instead of the seating. It looks so cozy with the velvety seating. So I really like this one too. All right, we're still moving along here. Aren't these cars, seriously, they're gorgeous. Okay, and the next one we come to is this blue car, and this is a coach car, and look how pretty this is. I love that color blue, and I love the blue stained glass and the green stained glass. This train station, this train is seriously a hidden treasure in Pennsylvania. I am so happy that we have visited here. So now we're almost to the end, and thank you. We're going to go to the last car, which we've already visited, and this is the outdoor open air car. And the military celebration is kind of coming to an end. They're packing up all the things, all the neat things that they've showcased today for us. But look how beautiful this car is with the ribbons and lighting. Oh, thank you. Sorry about that. And here we are at the end, and we are back here in the town of Boyertown. What a day we've had. This has been amazing. There's Boyertown, there's the train station. So what a great day. So we're going to do one more quick thing. We're just going to run to the gift shop, which is located in the train station, and I'll just show you that real quick because we forgot to do that in the beginning. So we'll just walk in here real fast, and they have some cute gifts if you want some souvenirs from your train ride. They've got plenty of neat things to choose from. There's some train conductor panda bears, some train hats, and look, here's some Amish things, some Amish butter and Amish jams. See, we're always in Lancaster County, even though we're in Berks County. And here's some neat mugs from the railroad. So lots of good stuff here. This is also where you pick up your tickets. Over here, they've got some cool sweatshirts and hoodies in all colors and sizes with the railroad's name on it. And the hoodies are $40, and they're nice. There's a lot of different ones to choose from. And it's really cute in here, isn't it? I love all the wood and the wood stove. And there's the train. That green color will be not here forever. And just some other games and gifts and stuff like that over here. Platform 9 3/4. So what a great day. Thank you so much for coming along with us. We hope you had a great visit. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye, everyone.